Imagine a country waking up every day under the threat of missile strikes, suicide drones, and glide bombs. That's the reality Ukraine faces daily, but now, there's a new development. Germany, in coordination with the United States, has decided to send more Patriot air defense systems. But why now, and how much impact will this really have? Let's break this down. In just the month of July, Ukraine was attacked with over 5,100 glide bombs, nearly 3,800 Iranian Shahed drones, and more than 250 missiles. These attacks aren't random, they are targeted strikes on power plants, airfields, and even hospitals in cities like Kiev and Dnipro. Ukraine's air defense systems, especially the Patriot systems, have become critical. But here's the catch: Ukraine doesn't have enough of them. So on August 1st, Germany made a major announcement. It will deliver 2 more Patriot launchers to Ukraine within days, and the rest of the full systems will follow in the next 2 to 3 months. In coordination with the United States, both countries have agreed to send 5 full Patriot systems to Ukraine. Germany had 12 Patriots before. It already gave 3 to Ukraine, stationed 2 in Poland, and uses 1 for training. So how does this deal work without weakening Germany's defenses? Simple. Germany gives now, and the US backfills with newer Patriot systems later. It's a clever win-win. Plus, other allies are also stepping in. Norway's helping fund deliveries, and countries like Denmark and the Netherlands have supported earlier packages. Right now, Ukraine operates around 6 functioning Patriot batteries. But Ukraine is a huge country, over 600,000 square kilometers. 6 systems aren't enough. Experts say Ukraine needs at least double or even triple that number to fully defend its airspace. So, while Germany's delivery is important, it's still only one part of the puzzle. What we're seeing here is NATO allies working together, sending a message to Russia: Ukraine will not stand alone. This step is a significant morale boost for Ukraine. Every additional launcher means more chances to save lives. Germany's move is bold, timely, and impactful. But the road ahead is long. Ukraine's skies are still vulnerable and more help will be needed.